Guys, we're getting ready for dinner tonight. Curry is on the menu and it is one of our all-time favorite things to cook.
It actually is. I love curries. I love India. I went there about 10 years ago. So, you know, whenever I'm not sure what to cook, it's always a curry. And we find when we talk to people, people do not know how to make curries, do they?
They don't, but it is so easy to cook.
It is so easy and so yummy and fresh. And you can use, it's very adaptable. You can use whatever's in your fridge, just chop and change. So this one that we're making today is vegan. It is jam-packed with beautiful, healthy ingredients and so simple to make.
Let's get into it.
Yeah.
So to begin with, we're going to chop up our garlic. I think the more, the better. But if you only like a little amount, that's all right. Cut that up nice and small. Then we're going to move on to our onions. Now we need to dice those babies up. And we also want them small because the bigger they are, the longer they take to cook. Then we're going to finish it off with the chili. We don't really like too much chili, so we just had a baby amount. But if you want more, go for it. Pour your olive oil or a good fat into your pot and start cooking up your onions, your garlic and your chili. Stir through and do it until it's nice and soft and nice and translucent. We're going to now put in the curry leaves. After the curry leaves, we're going to put in our beautiful spices. We're going to put in cumin, coriander, garam masala, cinnamon, paprika, and turmeric. Throw them into the pot and let's stir them around into the oil until the beautiful fragrance come into the air and you can smell them. So guys, now it's everyone's favorite part. We're going to start chopping up the vegetables, all your greens, your yellows, your whites. Now let's try to make them similar sizes because when they're in the pot, we want them all to cook a similar sort of time. So once you've chopped them all up, throw them into the spot and give them a good stir. If you're using soft greens that don't take long to cook, it's time to put them in. Once your vegetables have had a good stir through, it's time to put in your tomatoes, coconut cream and vegetable stock. Let's stir them all through so that they're a nice, beautiful color and it's starting to look like a curry. So guys, now we're ready to put the lid on and we're going to let the vegetables go nice and soft.
Where's the lid?
I better go get the lid. Hold on one sec.
Smells amazing.
Here we go, guys.
Done. We're going to give it a try now. It looks amazing. We've let it cool down a bit so we don't blow our brains up. So let's dig into it.
Let's give it a whirl.
Okay.
Let's go. Yep, yummy.
Still hot.
Not too bad. Not too hot. I like it. Tastes beautiful.
So good.
Salt is good. You've got to make sure they put the right amount of salt in.
Be very over generous with the salt because it just makes all the flavors pop.
Definitely.
That is yum. It is jam-packed with veg.
I just like it. I don't have much to say besides it tastes good. It's really simple and anyone can make it. It doesn't take long at all. And if you've never made a curry before, chop up a few vegetables, a few spices, coconut cream and tomatoes and you're done. And make sure you have a good amount of salt and it's too easy.
I feel like you could just bathe in this sauce.
You can do that. I will not. So guys, let us know in the comments below if there's another curry you'd like us to make, maybe one with paneer or maybe a nice chicken one. And make sure that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe because we've got so much more content coming out.
Bye.
See ya.